looks like about 4. And it was in the house before I moved to Dublin, so like really old. And I'm in the back of the car like scratching my arm. But forget the thing about the car because we're in a field. And really old. I'm in the back of the car like scratching my arm. But forget the thing about the car because we're in a field. And my mum rushes over and picks me up because she sees that I've been scratching my eyes, and just picks me up and cuddles me, and it's all okay. And then we're like, oh, there's a box, cool. And people with shovels, so we'll go check it out. And inside the box, there's a box of teeth and a note that says, Daisy may be Karen. And then the men who've dug up the box just look at me and look at my mum, and they're just like, we're just like, and they're standing together, like, say they're like, do, do, and we're standing together, like, close, like, do, do, and holding the ground in the middle, like that.